Hello guys, I am Saloni and welcome to Codera. So guys, today I am here to tell you that Infosys is giving a great opportunity to the freshers who are going to pass out in the year 2022. So Infosys is hiring for the role of specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer. And this time Infosys offering package of 8 lakh per annum for the role of specialist programmer and the package of 6.25 lakh per annum for the role of digital specialist engineer. So first let us see the eligibility criteria. So the students from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc are eligible to apply for this drive. And the students must be pass out from these branches only, which are computer science engineering, information science and engineering, information technology and so on. And I have already told you that this drive is only for 2022 batch. No any other batch can apply for this drive. And the last date for registration is 26th December 2021. So guys, please apply before 26th December. Now let us see how we can apply for this drive. So this is the link to apply for the drive. I will provide this link in the description box. So when you click this link, you will see this interface. So this is the data privacy declaration. You can read this if you want to. So here we have to select this checkbox and then click accept. After accepting the declaration, you will see this application form. So here we have to fill all the required detail. Like first is gender. So here we have to select our gender and then here we have to enter our first name and then the last name and then provide your primary email ID. And please be careful while providing this email ID because all the mails regarding your online tests and interviews will be received on this mail. And then upload your recent passport size photo. And after that, upload your updated resume and make sure your resume is in PDF format. And then provide your primary contact number and here you can also give your alternate mobile number which is optional. Then enter your date of birth as per your legal documents like Aadhaar card and then enter citizenship like India. And then if your passport is available, so you can click yes, else you can select no. And then here you have to enter your address details like street or house number, address line 2 which is optional, and then PIN code, state, country and city. After filling all this information, click the next page. So in the next page we have to provide our all the educational details. So in the first section we have to provide our 10th standard details. So first we will select secondary school leaving certificate and then enter your school name and select your board of education. After that, select your field of specialization and then enter your country, state, and you can provide here your percentage or CGPA of 10th standard and then select your passing month and year of 10th standard. After this, in the next section, you have to provide the details of the 12th standard or diploma. So you can select here either 12th standard or diploma. After that, you have to select your degree. So you can select pre-university course if you have done diploma. Otherwise, you can select higher secondary school certificate. And then enter your school name, board of education, state and country of your school. And then select your area of specialization, for example PCM, and here enter your percentage or CGPA or grade, and in the last provide your year and month of passing. So in this section you have to provide your graduation details, like here you have to select your degree and then here provide your institute or college name and here select your university name. And here also you have to select the country and the state of your institute. Then enter your percentage or CGPA. And in last provide your passing month and year. And if you have done post graduation, so in this section you have to fill all this detail which are exactly same as graduation. And then you have to select that either you have any active backlog or not. So you can select accordingly. And if there is any active backlog, then you have to enter the number of backlogs. After that, you have to select that either you have any education gap or not. And if you have any education gap, then here you have to enter the number of month and the reason of education gap. And then click on the next page. So previously, if you have not attended any drive of Infosys, then select no. And if you have attended the drive, so you have to select yes. So when you select yes, it will show you two more sections. First one is for those candidates who have applied for the Infosys Limited, and second one is for those candidates who have applied for the subsidiary of the Infosys Limited. So here you can select yes or no accordingly, like whether you have taken the test or not, or whether you are selected for the interview or not, and so on. And then select next page. So in this section we have to provide some other details, like अगर आप किसी कंपनी में एज ए डायरेक्टर वर्क कर चुके हो, सो सिलेक्ट यस, अदरवाइज सिलेक्ट नो. या फिर आप किसी कंपनी में पार्टनर रह चुके हो, सो सिलेक्ट यस, एल्स सिलेक्ट नो. एंड लास्ट में अगर आप किसी क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व हैं या आपके अगेंस्ट कोई कोर्ट केस चल रहा है, सो अकॉर्डिंगली आप येस या नो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. So here you have to upload your college photo identity card, or you can also upload your government photo identity proof in the PDF form for the verification purpose. And make sure you have uploaded the document in the PDF format. And also note that you are not allowed to upload your Aadhaar card as identity proof. So here you can upload your PAN card or voter ID card. And then click on the next page. So first here we have to take this I agree checkbox, and then here enter your current location or city, and here we have to provide our full name, and in last validate this CAPTCHA, and then click the submit button. So here you have successfully applied for this drive. So guys, that's all about today's video. I hope this video is clear to you that how you can apply for this drive. And if you like this video, or if you find this video helpful, so please don't forget to share our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.